Let's now take a look at sensation and perceptions and notice the difference between these two. Sensations are a conscious or subconscious awareness of changes in the external or internal environment. So in other words, there are some messages that will go into the brain or into the spinal cord, but you're not consciously aware of those messages that are going into the brain. For instance, some messages travel to the spinal cord that result in reflexes. Other messages travel to the lower brainstem and, for instance, might result in changes in the heart rate. And of course, these two would be subconscious awareness of changes. This may seem like a contradiction when we say the word awareness, but you have to think of it this way. Think of it as the body is being aware of these changes, not necessarily that you and your brain are becoming aware of these changes. And then, of course, there are messages that will go up to the cerebral cortex, and in this case, there is conscious awareness of the sensory stimuli. A perception is the conscious awareness and the interpretation of sensations, and it's the cerebral cortex that performs these actions. So, sensation involves both conscious and subconscious awareness of changes by the body to both internal and external changes in the environment. But perception specifically is the conscious awareness and the interpretation of those various sensations, such as what you're smelling, tasting, and so forth.